Come here. I need help opening this. You got the knife on a stick. Yeah, I know it's a quote unquote spear, but it's a knife taped to a stick. So you tell me exactly how legitimate calling it a spear would be. Okay. Okay. Now, let's stop arguing about this and get this done, okay? I really don't feel comfortable with there being a zombie in the closet. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Holy shit. I think my heart is racing really quickly. I'm a little scared. But you didn't hear that from me. Uh, we should probably clear the bodies out sometime today. Uh, you know, with the librarian up front and this. Ugh. We should, I don't know, I don't really want to do it right now. I don't want to look at it. Yeah, of course I avoided the streets. I didn't want to deal with them whenever they were around. And so I just stayed off of the main roads and ran away from them, or I guess killed them when I had to. Unlike you going out on the main road. Hey, can't get mad at me. I'm just saying the truth. But, do you want to go read books right now? Because I really can't do that. Deal with body disposal. Yeah, procrastination, but we should probably wait till it's not about 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning. How do I know the time? Have you looked at my wrist? I have a watch. See? I just don't look at it often. Now that I do look at it, it's about 3:26 military time. That would be about. It would be 15:36, right? I don't know. I suck at military time. About time I learned it, though, huh? Okay. So we need to look for books with food preservation and what kind of foods will last the longest. I remember my mom saying that honey lasted a long time, but I don't know how long that would be. Where we would get honey other than raiding grocery stores, and at a point we'd have to be, if the zombies are gone, we're going to be in need of farming abilities. So, 64, 63 technically now. But whatever. We need to find a book on that, food preservation, maybe some jarring techniques. We'll probably have to go to the store in a day or two. The vending machines were already pretty much empty, and that's not useful for our survival to be weak. Did I read whenever? Yeah, I used to read. Not a lot, but when I did, I would go crazy and read the whole book in a day, and usually it was novel sized. Yeah, I don't really know if I want to share my favorite book. I don't want you to laugh. Oh, I don't know. I know you'll laugh. It usually always happened whenever I told my friends what I was reading. So, only if you tell me what your favorite book was. And you can't say you didn't have one. You have to tell me at least one geeky book you read. Okay, okay, that's not a bad choice. I read it once too, but that's not the worst one. I mean, my choice isn't terrible. It's actually great, but a lot of people wouldn't get that. My favorite book was okay. My favorite series, technically, I can't say it was one, but it was Harry Potter. I know, I'm a geek, but it did me well when I did read it. It gave me a lot more confidence, and in a weird way, it helped me grow up. And yeah, the ending books were sort of depressing and stuff, but it was so worth it. So, we we should probably try boarding up the windows um, before we go searching for books. I just remembered that if we board up the windows, it'll be a lot safer. And if we do end up getting candles and stuff whenever we go scavenging for food, we don't want them to see the light. They're attracted to it at night, if you've noticed. There are a few places with some electricity due to gas generators, but they hoard around those areas. They're really active during the night. So, we can probably move desks and stuff like that up against it, or those really long tables, and then we need to find nails. If we can get some nails and just nail the wooden piece of the table to the windowsill, it would probably be really good. Well, the long tables go on the long windows, the ones that go over the whole wall. I mean, not the whole wall, they just go up and down. And you know this, they're about the same size as the tables, so it'll be perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well, maybe not. Not perfect, okay? I mean, it'll fit perfectly. I'm not saying that it'll end up being completely zombie proof, but you know, that's just how it is, I guess. Okay. Okay. Come on. We need to go look for nails. If we can do that, then that'll be good. So I was thinking a toolkit would probably be in here. I found this room whenever we came in and were, inspecting this place. I couldn't really get a good look at it because you screamed like the little baby you are. You need to go search that side. I'll search this side. If you find any tools at all, just, tell me. we're definitely searching for nails. A hammer wouldn't be too bad either. Do you see anything yet? What? You think you found something? What is it? Damn. That is awesome. I really did not think we'd find a toolkit. Shut up. I was just trying to make you feel better. Okay. What's inside of it? That's the big question. Hey, I think there's nails. Hey, they're the good kind too. Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, this is actually kind of exciting, you know? It means we have an extra blanket of safety. So, okay. Let's evaluate everything right now. So, we've raided the vending machines, and there seems to be enough food for at least 2 days, because they apparently don't restock very well in this library. We have 10 bottles of water and sodas, which we will not be drinking. That's just supposed to dehydrate you, from what I know. And we need to be in the best condition we can be in if those things come after us and we have no way out. I mean, we'd have a way out if we could get away from them. So, you know what I mean? Okay. But we do that. We need to look for books involving preservation and, you know, food in general, how to grow it, and that would be useful. We found a toolkit, so now we can board up the windows, which should be our first priority. And the knife on a stick. Speaking of, can you please give me my knife? We only put it on a stick to kill that thing. We'll find a better stick, I guess. Use my knife to make it an actual spear, and we won't have to tape it there. If we keep taping, then that could mean we could lose my knife in a zombie head, and I ain't having that. And we need more, you know, let's say, weapons. A gun for emergencies would be good, but we don't want to attract them. We'll have to plan for the trip to the grocery store soon. Just try and figure out what we need to take to make sure everything's going to be okay. Let's hope that there's not a lot in there. Okay, you go take those to the main area, whatever you want to call it, lounge room, and I'll start dragging the bodies outside. Okay? Okay.